Hey Jessica, it's Ashley. I know I gave you feedback on the discussion board, but I need to do my voice recording feedback, my screencast, which I didn't realize. So, what I'm going to do is go over the same thing. What I said earlier was that I really like the cleanness of your mid-unit survey and your end of the unit survey. I think that the rating scale is great for the students, and also you have very clear questions that are not really biased or double-barreled, so the students can actually understand it and rate themselves, or rate you, I guess it would be, on how they're feeling with it. And you do have the different sections, which is great. I love how at the end you have, if you have any questions or concerns, that way students, if they don't feel comfortable approaching you, they can have it there, and then that way you also have access to it. For your end of the unit survey, I like how, again, it's in the same format, so the students will be used to that. It looks like it's pretty much the same, except you've added different questions to each section in addition to what you already have. So it'll be familiar to the students, and it won't be something that takes them back. Overall, I think it looks great. I like how you have your different examples right there, so students actually know what you're referring to when you talk about the tools. Um, Again, I think it's great. Keep up the great work, and I can't wait to see the end of the unit.